Hello everyone!
Welcome to Sister Stacy Kitchen, and today I'm here to make a chocolate cake. So let's get started. So first we're gonna take 2 cups of all-purpose flour and just put it in a big bowl. 1 cup sugar, powdered sugar, half cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder, and half a tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. And now we should mix all the dry ingredients. And then add some salt for taste. Mix it. Three-fourths of milk-maid, 1/3 of oil. First you have to initially add 1 cup of milk and then mix it.
After mixing it properly, add the rest of the milk and then mix it.
Mix the batter until it turns smooth and flowy. And yeah, make sure it is lump free. You can also use a blender or a whisk, as I showed you before. Makes the batter mix faster, nothing much. First of all, apply some butter at the base of the mold and at the sides. And then place a butter paper. And then again brush some butter. Now you just have to shift the batter into the mold. Make sure that the batter is air-free, and to do so, just slightly shake it and tap it, and yeah. My batter is ready, and I'll just put it in the oven for it to be baked. However, you can also use a gas stove for baking the cake. So now let me put it in the oven. And yeah, as you can see, I actually have a cake option in the microwave, and I have a chocolate cake option, so I'll arrange the microwave accordingly.
If you don't have the cake option present in your microwave, all you have to do is bake your cake at 180 degrees Celsius, and yeah, it will be done.
So now it's been 20 minutes. Let's see how's our cake like. So as you can see, it's half ready. Now we just have to keep it for another 20 minutes and it will be completely. So here I've taken some heavy cream and I'll simply blend it to make it into whipping cream. While your cake is being baked, meanwhile make this whipping cream for the decoration and stuffs. So blend your whipping cream until stiff peaks appear. So now as you can see, the stiff peaks have started to appear. So now I'll add 2 tablespoons of melted dark chocolate. Vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And now again blend it. Add 1 tablespoon of Nutella. And then blend it. So here our whipping cream is ready. However, before using it, we need to keep it in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So our cake is ready. So now let's check it if our cake is fully baked or not. So I'm just taking a toothpick and simply digging it in the cake. And yeah, as you can see, the cake is ready. So as you can see, it's very soft and spongy. So now as you can see, I'm just cutting off the top layer of the cake and I'll keep it aside because we'll need the top layer to make some chocolate balls. So now I've cut the top layer and kept it in a plate. Let me just keep it aside. Now let's just turn our cake upside down. And now remove the paper. So as you can see, this is the top layer of the cake which we had already separated previously. So we just gotta simply smash it. You just have to add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. A small amount in my hands and roll it into a chocolate ball sort of thing. Now I'll coat the dark chocolate with some colorful sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, white chocolate and dark chocolate. We take it and apply it. We cut the cake into 2 halves. So I've cut the piece. And I'll just keep it aside, both in different trays. So now I took some sugar, powdered sugar. Add a little bit of water to it and I mix the sugar and the water together. So the whipping cream which we prepared before, I have put it up on the piping bag.
And then add the whipped cream to the cake.
Evenly spread out the whipping cream. So now just simply add the top layer back on top of this. So I've spread the whipped cream on the sides of the cake, as you can see. And now I'm gonna apply some dark chocolate on the top of the cake. Evenly spread out the chocolate syrup, melted chocolate.
For decoration, put the chocolate balls on top of the cake.
So now I have taken some more chocolate balls and some cherries to decorate it. So the cake is ready However, before cutting and tasting it, we would keep the cake in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I've taken out the cake from the freezer and it's all ready. So for cutting and tasting the cake, I'd like to call out my younger brother. Greet our viewers. So, would you like to cut the cake?
Yes.
So now let me just pull aside the cake and plate. So, would you like to taste the cake now?
Yes.
Yeah? There you go. Good? So now let me as well taste the chocolate bar and see if it's really tasty as you told. It's tasty. It's really tasty. Yummy. Now eat some of the cake.
Very tasty.
And yummy?
Yes.
Soft and it's totally delicious. So with this, we have come to the end of our video. So please like our video if you like this recipe and
Share.
and also comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to
Subscribe.
and also tap the notification bell. So until the next video, bye bye.